3, 2, 1.
What is the term for any behavior that occurs only after experience or practice? The answer is D, learned behavior. Which Greek sea nymph was famous for her beauty? The answer is C, Galatea. Red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and plasma are all components of what fluid? The answer is A, blood. What is often found in the bedroom but doesn't sleep or dream? The chef. The answer is C, closet. Compared to thoracic and lumbar types, the cervical type of what structures carry the least amount of body weight? The answer is C, vertebrae. How many Emmys did Peter Boyle win for his work on Everyone Loves Raymond? The answer is A, 0. Which is the highest volcanic mountain in the world? The answer is A, Mauna Kea. A pot is touching the flame of a gas stove, and the substance in the pot is heating up due to the contact. This is an example of which type of energy transfer? The answer is C, conduction. Positive charge is mostly found in what part of an atom? The answer is B, nucleus. On 15 September 1973, King Karl Roman XVI Gustav became the ruler of which of these modern kingdoms? The answer is D, Sweden. What is a traditional Japanese loose-fitting robe made of cotton or hemp? The answer is A, kimono. What does the EV in the name, EV Cummings, stand for? The answer is A, Edward Estlin. Which is a characteristic of both plants and animals? The answer is A, life cycles. I've never been to school, yet I know how to play every instrument. Who am I? The answer is C, musical genius. Which vegetable is often purple on the outside and white inside? The answer is A, eggplant. Which theory suggests that intelligence can be divided into multiple factors? The answer is A, Gardner's multiple intelligences theory. Who sings Hallelujah, famously covered by many artists? The answer is A, Leonard Cohen. Molds growing on foods are a common type of what organisms that play very important roles in almost every terrestrial ecosystem on Earth? The answer is A, fungi. Who broke Hank Aaron's career home run record? The answer is D, Barry Bonds. which is not a cloud computing service model. The answer is D, data center as a service. Which objects in our solar system give off their own light? The answer is A, only the sun. In mathematics, what type of conic section would this equation show? x2 plus y2 equals 9. The answer is A, circle. At any specific time, the rate at which a reaction is proceeding is known as its what? The answer is A, instantaneous rate. Which of the following artists painted the purple shawl? The answer is A, Kaus. Which characteristic would best help a rabbit survive in snow? The answer is C, thick, white fur. What do drugs that alleviate symptoms of schizophrenia block? The answer is A, dopamine receptors. During which of the processes below does water vapor change to liquid water? The answer is D, condensation. What is the fastest land animal in the world? The answer is B, cheetah. What unit of time is equal to 1/1000th of a second? The answer is C, nanosecond. Which clothing item is traditionally white and worn by brides? The answer is B, lace dress. How many bits are in a byte? The answer is B, 8. The original meaning of the word grotesque was very different from the one we know. What was it? The answer is B, fantastic. Who was the King of England during the American Revolution? The answer is A, George Roman III. Which galaxy holds our Milky Way? The answer is A, Andromeda. Which computer component stores data temporarily while the computer is running? The answer is B, RAM. Which sport uses a cricket bat and ball? The answer is B, cricket. What is Planck's constant approximately? The answer is A, 6.63 times 10 3 Js. What job did George Clooney have before he started his film career? The answer is B, underwear salesman. What is Tiger Woods' primary sport? The answer is C. Golf. What occurs when the immune system attacks a harmless substance that enters the body from the outside? The answer is B. Allergy. In 1994, John starred in a comedy film about the adventures of a very wealthy child. What was the name of this movie that starred Macaulay Culkin, Ed Hammond, Ben Stein, and Mike McShane? The answer is B. Richie Rich. Where do Pam's parents live in the hit movie Meet the Parents? The answer is D. New York. What walks on 4 legs in the morning, 2 legs at noon, and 3 in the evening? The answer is D. Armchair. In scientific terms, average acceleration is the rate at which what changes. The answer is B. Velocity. In addition to 5 classes of fish, what other classes make up the species of vertebrates? The answer is A. Amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. A certain atom has 20 electrons, 21 neutrons, and 20 protons. What is the atomic mass of the atom? The answer is C. 41. What natural resource can be damaged by the accumulation of too much salt? The answer is A. Soil. Concentration of what? The substance left behind when ocean water evaporates is about 3.5%. The answer is A. Salts. Which of the following actors did not make a guest appearance on the TV show N***S***H? The answer is D. John Travolta. Emma Lazarus was a great American poetess. Where does her most famous poem appear?